I don't know about you, but my workstation is a complete pigsty. And with 2021 here, I thought I might as well get a little organized. So I made this. In the middle, I have 5 boards cut to 19.5 inches, and then on the sides, I have 2 boards that are cut to 18.25 inches. The middle boards will change in size depending on the number of drills you'll be holding. I am going to be holding 4. So when you notch these boards out, you should know that on each side, you should have at least 1.5 inches of room, and then the actual hole should be 1.5 inches wide, because most drill handles are about that size. And then over here, this should be 3 3/4 inches long, and then in between each notch should be 3 3/8 inches. This will determine how many drills you need or how long the boards need to be. Now that we have all these boards cut, we are just going to take a drill and pre-drill in the larger areas, so here, here, and there. And then you'll just screw it in so that it stays in place, and you'll do these on all 8 boards. Now that we have all the boards screwed together, you're just going to mount it on 2 2x4s with 2 screws going into each 2x4. As you can see, I have 1 2x4 there and 1 there. And then I have 4 drills on the bottom row. On this middle row, I have the different drill bits. So I have the drill bits for drilling holes. I have 2 magnets that I picked up at the dollar store that hold all my drill bits for drilling screws. And then I have extra batteries. And then at the top, I have nails and screws. On the side, I have the different chargers for the different batteries. And then on this side, I have a hook for the Sawzall. Lastly, one thing you should note is these chargers should have a power strip connected to them so that you can charge these batteries even when you're not in your workshop. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.